Hey, what's up YouTube? This is going to be a bike check on the United Recruit RN3. It's kind of custom, got a few custom parts, but nothing big. I mean, it's good, does its job. Start with the grips. I got the Primo board grips. They're pretty good, they're okay. I got a Stolen Vortex bar-ins. Had these for about five or 6 months. Sunday Freeze top load stem. I like it. It's pretty sweet. I just got some stock bars. I'm planning on getting Shadow Conspiracy Voltus bars, or We the People Mad Max bars. Stock forks. They're pretty good. I'm getting new ones. I think I'm gonna get Chef V2 forks. Let me leave some comments down below of what forks I should get. I got Colt Vans tires, 2.35 front and back. I don't know what kind of peg it is. I think it's a stolen peg, but it slides really good. I got a stock front wheel. It's pretty good. I like it. Shadow Conspiracy integrated headset. Here's a quarter headset. Shadow Conspiracy Crow pivotal seat. I like it. Stolen Thermalite seat post with mission seat clamp. Stock cranks and bottom bracket. Honestly, twisted PCs. They're good. I like them. Another stolen peg, and I got a KMC chain, Hartman 25.9. Stock sprocket. I got the Shadow Conspiracy Raptor hub. I like it, it's pretty good. And yeah, I think that's it. Oh, another Colt Vans tire in the back. It's pretty good. Pretty loud. Alright, that's my bike check. Comment, rate, subscribe. Thanks.